Today I'm going to show you how to put air in your tires. My tires are a little low. First you need to check your tire pressure, what it's supposed to be. That's usually found on your door. Mine's 35 psi for front and rear. We have a handy little Ryobi air pump. You can stop obviously at a gas station. I do not like to stop at gas stations, so I just use our little pump. And you'll take off the cap, place the nozzle over, and then ours you have to hit the button to start it, but at the gas pumps usually they just go ahead and run, and it'll usually beep at the gas stations whenever it's done. I haven't used those in a while because we have this handy little tool. Now, I usually start at the back left tire and work my way around the vehicle. That way I can make sure that I get them all and I don't forget anything. It's also advised that if you're in a parking lot, you hold on to the cap. The first one you see that I set it on the ground, but definitely try and hold on to that. You don't want to lose those. If it's in my driveway, I do typically set them on the ground just because I know where I've set them. But in a parking lot, it can easily roll away. So for time's sake, I did speed up the video because nobody needs to watch the air process. But in total, it took me just about 5 minutes to put air in each tire. My tires were kind of low compared to where they needed to be, but a quick process anybody can do.